Home decor, or simply how our place looks, has to do a lot with our mental wellness and physical convenience. And reviving the surroundings from time to time is always the most favorable approach towards aesthetic satisfaction as well as endless delight. Besides, residential decoration is something that always comes with a lot of flexibility and loads of possibilities, meaning you don't really need to keep aside a huge budget or splurge on professional assistance for achieving what you've been desperately wanting. Are you looking forward to bringing about some great changes to your place without having to spend too much? We've totally got you in this regard with our enlisted info of the smartest home decor and improvement ideas that are super cheap and most importantly DIY friendly. And it goes without saying that this way you can easily enjoy a significant transformation of your surroundings, absolutely without investing considerable money or even time. Smart and cheap ways to improve your interiors. Here is Wall Curtain's take on the most budget-friendly ideas for giving a new look to your place, that too, without having to make any bigger or problematic changes. Do not discard containers. And all it takes is a little bit of smart upcycling for you to make the most out of all the otherwise clutter. Mason jars, old mugs, glass containers and even non-functional wine bottles can do the trick for you. Just work for the addition of the right kind of complementing stuff, such as adding faux, real plantation, decorative knick-knacks, snacks as well. Surface painting, covering and whatever you come up with, and you'll be all ready to enjoy your very own personalized piece of art. Add in plenty of greens. Greenery always does the job, no matter how simple, basic or minimalistic your interiors are. Be it the real ones, for those of you able to keep up with the maintenance, or the fake plantation, the lazy yet effective idea, adding some greens will always give rise to the most attractive version of your place. Use leftover wall treatments. Here we are talking about leftover wallpaper, wall paint and even some sort of decorative fabric if you happen to have any. Use them to cover and enhance literally anything and everything you desire or what you think needs a kick of beautification, and you'll be doing a favor to both your home decor and the environment, as well. Accessorize the furnishing. From staining and painting your furniture items to adding some adorable accessories to your curtains, there's certainly a lot that you can work over and generate pleasing outcomes. Some of the cheapest, kinda no-brainer and super effective ideas in this regard are adding tuftings to your upholstered furniture and simply placing a couple of cushions to the existing seating setups for a fresh and upgraded look. Ditch bulky stuff. This very idea does not essentially refer to buying new furniture and other stuff, but also it involves switching to lighter and less space-consuming items that seem pleasant visually and also generate a sensation of spaciousness. Wicker tables, accent furniture pieces, and even hollow planters are the perfect examples of a mindful and useful furnishing choice.